everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be shopping in Walgreens. They are having a wonderful sale. So the first thing we're going to grab is this Well Beginnings Hypoallergenic Baby Oil. It's with aloe vera and vitamin E. And it's also not made with parabens or dyes, if that is something that is important to you. And it's dermatologist tested, so that looks like a good deal. And we're going to grab two and keep it moving. So the next deal that I've come upon is the Walgreens Long Maxis. Oh my goodness, this is an unbelievable deal. So let's see, we're gonna grab these because this is unbeatable. And there are 16 pads in the package. And again, it says no chlorine and no parabens. So it looks good. It's comparable to Always. It's long, super size 2. So that is a wonderful deal there. And we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. All right, let's see what else they got in here. Okay, so the next stop are these baby wipes. These things are marked down to 30 cents, y'all. So these are the clearly herbal baby wipes made with the finest essential oils and herbal extracts. Wonderful. It's its finest tea tree oil, aloe vera, and green tea. Soothing. Let's see what it says. Aromatherapy with lavender and chamomile. So that is a steal. So we're going to head over to the laundry detergent aisle. I'm going to skip out on this Downy Free and Clear, but I am going to pick up a few of these Ajax because I've never tried it before, and it's marked down to $1.99. Because I have allergies, I like to use Free and Clear, so we'll see how this works out. Now I'm over to the food aisle and the cheeses. This deal has been running for quite some time. It's buy one, get one free. It's $3.99, so I'm going to grab that. Next, I'm over to the dish detergent, and they've got this Palmolive for 79 cents. So I'm going to grab 3 of those, and I'll let you see what's in the shopping cart so far. So we've got the Maxis, we've got the Cheez-Its, we've got the Palmolive, and I decided to pick up 5, y'all, of these Ajax. It says... let's see, 40 loads here, and Stronger Than Dirt Ajax. Now, I'm trying to get to $25 because you get $7 back in cash reward. Okay, guys, so we're back at the house. So we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ajax. And I need to get my receipt so I can tell y'all the prices of everything. So the transaction went as planned. The Ajax was $1.99 each. The Cheez-Its were, of course, buy one, get one free. And then we had the Palmolive dish detergent that rang up for 79 cents. So that went as planned. Then we had the Walgreens Long Maxi. That transaction went as planned. All of them did. The baby oil, 50 cents each. That went great. And then, of course, the herbal baby wipes. No problem there. And the Capri Suns were my filler item. I got those because I had that spend $25, get $7 in cash rewards. And as you could see, she showed me here at the bottom where it says cash rewards available, $7.75. And I know the printer was kind of out of ink, but I earned $7.35 on this transaction. I had 40 cents as an opening balance, so that's how I ended up with $7.75 as my cash rewards that's now available. So not too bad. I was trying to get to $25, and you can see I was able to get that with my subtotal. And like I said, I ended up, the grand total, I'm sorry, here we go, $29.17. And yeah, like I said, we ended up getting $7 back. So this is not bad. This is 5 laundry detergents. And these are 40 loads, I think. Yeah, 40 loads. 5 of those, 3 of the dish detergents, 2 of the wipes, 2 of the baby oils. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, of the pads, I think it was. 2 boxes of Cheez-Its and 2 Capri Suns. That's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Let's save some money together, guys. Bye.